Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we're making a big family favorite around here. It's my tangy and tender farmhouse brisket. It's been cooking in the slow cooker for about 6 hours. If you don't have a slow cooker, stick with me. I'm going to tell you how to make it in the oven too. Let me show you how to get it started, and then we're going to finish it together. Season a 2 to 3 pound brisket with salt and pepper on both sides. Place it in your slow cooker. Dissolve 1 beef bouillon cube in 3/4 cup hot water. Add 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of dry mustard, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then whisk it all together and pour it over your brisket. Cover and set on high for 5 to 6 hours. The method to cooking this without a slow cooker is very simple. You do everything the same, but you put it in a Dutch oven in a preheated 325 oven for the length of the cooking time. The internal temperature should be around 200, so depending on the size of your brisket, it could be anywhere from 5 to 6 hours. Easy peasy. Okay, so this brisket, oh, and speaking of the size of the brisket, please be advised, they shrink tremendously. So a 3.5 pound brisket is going to serve about 5 people, depending on how hungry they are. Okay, this looks good. I did check the temperature. It is ready to go. We're going to, you want to take it out gently because it is fall apart tender. So we're just going to put this here and let it rest. And then we're going to take 1 cup of the drippings and create a sauce. So let's move over to the stove. The first thing we want to do is reduce the drippings a little bit. So we're just going to bring that to a boil. There we go. Now reduce the heat to medium and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a cup of ketchup, and just whisk that a little bit. And then add a tablespoon of butter. And just whisk that in. This is ready to carve. Now, the proper way to carve a brisket is against the grain, and I hope you can see this. You can actually see the grain running through it this way. So we want to cut it this way. Make sure that knife is sharp. Plate it, and then drizzle it. And there you have Anita's Farmhouse Brisket. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber and leave a comment for me. I love to hear from you. Join me again next time, right here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.